Alright, this is Bistro Grinder from Bodum. It's their burr grinder, and basically it looks pretty good, but we won't know till we actually grind in it. So I'm going to plug it in here and see what happens. And it's going to be essentially used for French press and just a Cuisinart drip machine, so not too worried about fine grinding for espresso, but you know, gets good reviews. And I'll just kind of, well, we got to break it in, so I think the power's there. Looks like there's a timer. I'll just put that to 5 seconds. And oh yeah, nothing. And pull out the little glass cup, and I know glass, no static or less static, so anyways, looks pretty good. That was on the drip grind, so I don't know, you can kind of see the grinds pretty good. Let's try it on the French press. Twist that there. Got some pretty coarse grinds. Looks alright. And I do have a Italian coffee maker type stovetop thing, so I suppose I might use the fine grind for that on occasion, so let's try that. Pretty fine, but doesn't look that well. It's a little different than the sort of that medium setting I did first, but there's still some pretty big, you know, chunks in there. So, but like I mentioned, it's not going to be used for espresso. So that's the Bodum Bistro Burr Grinder.